Natural gas prices remain under pressure as mild weather across much of the U.S. limits heating demand. Forecasts suggest above-average temperatures through mid to late October, reducing consumption in key regions. Production stays elevated, with lower 48 output around 106.7 billion cubic feet per day, up nearly 4% from last year, while the EIA projects 2025 output to exceed 107 billion cubic feet per day. Storage levels continue to rise, with inventories now about 4.5% above the 5-year average following an 80 billion cubic feet build last week. This combination of strong supply and weak demand maintains a bearish tone. LNG exports are one of the few supportive factors, with feed gas demand holding near 16 billion cubic feet per day. However, high European storage, already over 83% full, keeps prices below €35 and limits the upside potential for U.S. exports. Overall, fundamentals point to continued downside pressure unless colder weather or stronger export demand emerges. Meanwhile, tomorrow's storage report could act as a rebound catalyst. The market expects a slightly bullish result, about 5 billion cubic feet below the seasonal average, but if the actual figure comes in lower than anticipated, it may trigger a recovery toward the $3.10 resistance level. Prices recently tested below the $3 mark, touching lows near $2.96. The next strong support sits at $2.90, and a break below that level could lead toward $2.80. Nevertheless, with natural gas appearing deeply oversold, bullish traders are increasingly positioning for a potential seasonal turnaround. As winter approaches, sentiment is shifting toward opportunistic buying, and even modest hints of colder trends in upcoming weather forecasts could act as a spark, triggering a sharp and potentially significant recovery in prices. On the upside, resistance appears at $3.10, with further barriers near the 50-day moving average around $3.25. Moreover, if weather forecasts or demand conditions change significantly, prices could climb even higher toward $3.50, attracting a new wave of buyers. Don't forget to drop a comment, check out the last video and support the channel. Catch you in the next one.